Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Civic fog light. First, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new fog light bulb. Make sure your car is parked on a level surface and the engine is off. Safety is key, so consider wearing gloves and eye protection before you begin. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's get to the fog light itself. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the side where you're working. This gives you better access. You'll see a few plastic clips holding the fender liner in place. Use a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool to carefully pop out about 3 to 4 of these clips. Once the clips are out, gently pull back the fender liner to expose the fog light assembly. With the assembly exposed, you can now access the bulb. Reach in and grasp the back of the fog light bulb. Give it a quarter turn counterclockwise to unlock it from its housing. Carefully pull the bulb straight out. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it off. Now, connect the new bulb to the electrical connector, then insert it into the housing and twist clockwise until it locks securely. Almost done, carefully push the fender liner back into its original position. Make sure all the plastic clips are reinserted and secure, holding the liner firmly in place. Before you button everything up completely, turn on your car and test the new fog light to ensure it's working correctly. This confirms your installation was successful. Also, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite books, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite link and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.